to gain an edge over her competitor, Schneider. Claire has developed a new type of pastry for nights on end, and she proudly names it Eclair. While her invention does in fact resemble an eclair, the novel form, the show pastry typical for eclairs, and most of all, whiskey nut filling make her creation unique and stand out from the classic eclair. Claire wants to protect the shape and name of the eclair as a trademark for bakery and confectionery items.
In general, not all words, pictures, and symbols are equally well suited as trademarks. Some signs are excluded from trademark protection because all suppliers of certain goods need them to describe their offers. Suppliers of baked goods need the word eclair to identify their product on the market as an eclair. It would be unreasonable to leave that word to one of the many manufacturers of eclairs for sole use. Signs are also excluded from trademark protection if they are not recognizable to consumers as a trademark. Thus, the average consumer understands the word eclair as a name for the baked good known to him, but he does not understand the word eclair as an indication that this baked good was produced in Claire's bakery. Therefore, the trademark protection for the word eclair, as applied for by Claire in the film, is excluded. And what about trademark protection for the pastry as Claire's creation? It may be surprising to know that shapes can, in fact, also be trademarks. However, in order to be a valid trademark, a shape must be understood by consumers as an indication of the commercial origin of the goods, so they can act as brands. This presupposes that the form remains in the memory of the consumers. Accordingly, the only form that will come into question as a trademark will be one that deviates from the other shapes that the customer is familiar with or expects in the respective product segment. If we are considering a trademark for a pastry, one that is oblong and has the typical lateral notches of an eclair will never be a brand. Likewise, a pastry that differs from a classical eclair only in that it is round will also not be suitable as a brand. Bad news for Claire: no trademark protection for the shape of her pastries.
Kein Markenschutz für die Form ihres Teigteilchens.